tonight. Heartwarming Eve is here once again. Happy hearts so full and bright. Heartwarming Eve is here once again. Oh, what a sight! Look at the light, all for tonight. Heartwarming Eve is here once again.
Clouds arranged so they're just so.
Heartwarming Eve is here once again.
Gonna make some awesome snow.
Heartwarming Eve is here once again.
The chill wind blows, making a show. Snowflakes aglow.
Heartwarming Eve is here once again.
A day that's filled with songs to sing.
Ding dong, ding.
Cakes and pastries we shall bring.
Ding dong, ding. So busy making merry, when to go should all be wary.
As the mighty voices carry.
Heartwarming Eve is here once again.
Decorations we shall make.
Heartwarming Eve is here once again.
Perfection you just cannot fake.
Heartwarming Eve is here once again.
Not one mistake. Don't let that break. Oh, goodness sake.
Heartwarming Eve is here once again. Heartwarming Eve, happy. Heartwarming Eve, Heartwarming Eve is here once again.
Hey, Starlight. Ready to celebrate your first Heartwarming Eve here in Ponyville? I was thinking I might just skip it. My little pony, my little pony. My little pony. I used to wonder what friendship could be. Until you all shared its magic with me. Big adventure. Tons of fun. A beautiful heart, faithful and strong. Sharing kindness. It's an easy feat. And magic makes it all complete. You have mine. Do you know you're all my very best friends? Skip Heartwarming Eve? I just find it all a little silly. It's mostly a day dedicated to presents and candy, isn't it?
And why would you deny yourself presents and candy? That's crazy talk.
I think what Spike means to say is Heartwarming is about more than presents and candy. It's a time to spend with friends and family when we celebrate a very important day in Equestria's history.
I think to most ponies, it's just an excuse for silly songs and fun, not a day to remember some old story.
Maybe you just haven't heard the right Heartwarming Eve story yet.
Earth ponies, Pegasi, and unicorns sing songs around a hearth to fight back an eternal winter caused by the mythical Wendigos. Every foal in Philly knows that story.
Not that one. My favorite holiday story, A Heartwarming Tale.
Ooh, I love that one.
This is the story of a powerful unicorn named Snowfall Frost, who hated Heartwarming Eve. It all began many moons ago in Canterlot. Every home in Canterlot was filled with holiday spirit. Every home except one. It was said of Snowfall that she was almost as studied as Starswirl the Bearded. Almost, since every pony knows that Starswirl was an expert at everything from transfiguration, dimensional calibration, teleportation.
We get it. Starswirl's awesome.
Right. The point is, Snowfall was also a powerful unicorn. She wanted to be perfect. Anything that got in the way of that was a waste of time.
Ugh! Well, that batch is ruined. Snowdash!
Snowdash was Snowfall's loyal assistant.
What do you need? Get this mess cleaned up. Those foolish ponies were ringing those blasted bells outside the window, and I lost my concentration. Whoa, ponies actually enjoying Heartwarming Eve. Where did they get that crazy idea? Today is nothing to celebrate. Heartwarming Eve is a menace. A dangerous day for all of Equestria.
Dangerous? It's awesome! It's the day we remember how unicorns, Pegasi, and Earth ponies came together in friendship to defeat the Wendigos!
That silly legend is the problem. Telling every pony that singing songs and being nice will solve anything. I've spent years studying magic, and that's not how it works.
I think you might be missing the point.
Work hard, learn, and use your skills to better Equestria. That's a worthy goal for any pony. But by all means, if you want to go home early, ignore all of the work you have and spend the rest...
Wait!
Heartswarming Eve. All of Equestria would be better off if we just skipped the day altogether.
Happy hearts warming, they say in the street. Happy hearts warming, they think they're so sweet.
Words said so often that they lack any meaning. Why should I join in when I could be intervening? Every pony loves this cursed holiday, but would they be better off with it out of the way? Well, okay. Say goodbye to the holiday. With my magic, I'll erase it. The greatest gift that I give today, and every pony will have to face it. No more little games for you to play. After you say goodbye to the holiday. Goodbye, hearts warming, you had a good run. Goodbye, hearts warming, it's over, you're done. Finally set free from your forced celebrations. No need to reply to your trite invitations. Calendar shorter by a single day. Is my magic up to the test? Time to see I can't delay. Say goodbye to the holiday. Prepare the spell, no hesitation. All memories shall fade away. See Equestria's new transformation. No more shall any pony say. Happy hearts warming. After today. Once the spell is cast, all of Equestria will be better off, and they'll have me to thank for it!
Wait a minute. Snowfall doesn't like Heartswarming Eve, so she decides to cast a spell to get rid of it altogether? That seems a little extreme.
Says the pony who tried to make every pony the same by replacing their cutie marks with equal signs.
I think what Spike is trying to say is that every pony has their reasons for doing things, even Snowfall. And if I could continue the story, we might just find out what they are.
Proceed.
Snowfall was all set to cast her spell that would erase Heartswarming Eve for all time when a voice from the hearth caught her attention.
You sure you want to go through with this?
Who's there?
The spirit of Heartswarming past, that's who. And you and me have got to have us a little chat.
A spirit? I didn't cast any spirit summoning spell. What are you doing here?
You don't think a spell like that would get by without some powerful forces noticing? You've got our attention, Snowfall Frost. And we've got some pretty strong opinions on this spell of yours.
We?
They'll be along in a bit. For now, it's just you and me. Let's get a move on. We got a ton to see and barely any time to see it.
I'm not going anywhere. I've got a spell to cast, and I don't need a history lesson about Heartswarming Eve.
We aren't going to the past to learn about the holiday. We're going to learn about you. As a young thing, life sure is something. You go making choices large and small. Always growing like a seedling, and playing is like dreaming. And before you know it, big and tall. And every little bitty choice you make sends you down a path to who you are today. So let's take a little trip down memory lane and see just what the past has to say. Oh, look how cute you were. Looks like you're not too upset it's Heartswarming Eve either. The seeds of the past, they grow pretty fast. Just look at who you were back then. The seeds as they grow, look what they can show. Reveal the truth time
Just what do you think you're doing, Snowfall?
Decorating the classroom for Heartswarming Eve, Professor Flintheart.
You said you wanted to learn to be a powerful unicorn, did you not?
I do.
And what is the way that one becomes a powerful unicorn?
Work hard, learn, and use your skills to better Equestria.
And how do these help you to learn magic?
I want to be strong enough to stop Wendigos and help ponies.
That's just a story we tell little ponies. Real magic takes time to learn. It's your choice. Spend your time learning to become a powerful unicorn, or play with your toys and make nothing of yourself.
Then some distress, words so careless, standing there you don't know what to do. Feeling helpless, you can't make it hurt less, so you go and change your point of view. And in that moment, though you didn't know it, your defenses set up walls you built to last, leading to the pony you've become today. And the spell you're about to cast, it all comes from your past. The seeds of the past, we grow up so fast, some hurts never go away. The seeds as they grow, this we can't let go, all tied to this one holiday.
Spirit, what am I supposed to...
Snowfall Frost! It is I, the spirit of Heartswarming Presents!
Don't you mean present like the time?
No! Toys, Heartswarming dolls, you don't want a cupcake?
Fine, presents. All of the pointless things that ponies waste their time on.
Oh, Snowfall, it's not what the gift is that matters, it's what the gift means.
It doesn't mean anything. It's just stuff.
Exactly. Sometimes a cupcake means I love you, or a toy means hi, how you doing? And sometimes a book means your mane looks amazing, and sometimes a scarf means, well, scarf usually means you look cold. That one's easy.
I don't understand anything you're saying.
Whoa.
What's happening to you?
My spirit of Heartswarming Present sense is going off. That means that song is coming on. Take a look at everything around you, all the smells that surely will astound you. Open up your heart, it will surround you in the magic of Heartswarming Eve. The little things that make it better, little ponies spreading cheer. Give a toy a hug, a sweater, memories that last all year. Presents always filled with presents, large, medium, and small. Sometimes the most important things aren't very big at all. What a party, there's so much to see here, can't believe you didn't want to be here. You'd have had a blast, I guarantee. Here, this is the spirit of Heartswarming Eve. The cider's flowing, this is living. Come on and feel the beat. Life is better when you're giving. Each time you do, it feels so sweet. The presents always filled with presents, so come on, open your eyes. Spend time with ponies just like you and watch your spirits rise. The presents always filled with presents, take a look around. The reason for the holiday is quite easily found. Yes, the reason for the holiday is quite easily found. And the reason is to be with your friends. And the reason is to be with your friends. What? You know you're doing your Pinkie Pie voice, right? I was not. So, what happens next? Well, the party was...
Wait! Can we take a quick break? I need to refill my cocoa.
Fine. But hurry up, we're almost to the best part!
Okay, I'm ready.
The party was in full swing.
Snow Dash! Hey, Mary. Why, whatever is the matter, darling?
Was it the eggnog? Oh, I knew I put in too much cinnamon.
Oh, no, the eggnog was awesome, Flutterholly. I'm just mad at some pony who was complaining about how awful Hearthwarming Eve is.
I don't suppose that pony's name starts with Snow.
And ends with frost.
She said Hearthwarming Eve is just an excuse to party, and we would all be better off spending time working to make Equestria a better place.
What does Snowfall think a better Equestria looks like?
Ponies working hard, learning, and using their abilities for the benefit of Equestria.
It looks like we've got everything on Snowfall's list right here.
I think a perfect Equestria looks a lot like a Hearthwarming Eve party. Me too! Too bad it's going to be the last one ever! Ever!
Spirit? What do you mean? What's going to happen? Who are you?
I am the spirit of Hearthwarming yet to come.
Are you here to show me what future Hearthwarming Eves are like?
No, for there are no more Hearthwarming Eves for me to show.
Why not?
You will succeed in erasing the holiday as you wished.
And what happens?
I see a cold wind blowing through. I see days neither fun nor free. I see a future caused by you. I see a path not meant to be. The future should be filled with magic, dreams and wishes brought to life. But the days ahead are dark and tragic. No time for hope when all is strife. Whatever might have been, all the dreams that ponies share. Because of you, Snowfall Frost, now the future is a cold nightmare.
Indigos? They aren't real. It's just a little Philly story.
They are all too real, Snowfall, and your actions will allow them to return. The future of Equestria shall be bathed in a blanket of eternal snow.
No, I never meant for this to happen. I didn't understand. I didn't see how important Hearthwarming Eve was. Please, Spirit, I haven't cast the spell yet. Is there still time? I'm sorry! There's still time!
Oh my! Snowfall Frost?
I was hoping I wasn't too late for the party. I brought gifts. Boss? I was wrong earlier about Hearthwarming Eve. It's not all about singing and presents. The singing and presents are all about celebrating the ponies in our lives. The ponies we should listen to more often. Our friends. Wow. Dragon toenail. Thanks? I was in a hurry. I'll do better next time. You kidding? No one's ever given me dragon toenail before? It's awesome! Now come get some eggnog!
And from then on, it was always said of all the Hearthwarming Eve celebrations, Snowfall's was the hearthwarmingest. The end. Well, that's it. Thanks for letting me read you the story. Guess you can call it a night. Spike and I are heading downstairs, and if you wanted to, you'd be welcome to join us. Welcome to the party. Happy Hearthwarming, Starlight. Happy Hearthwarming, Twilight.
Hearthwarming Eve
Life is filled with presents, some take you by surprise. A story shared by your good friends that makes your spirits rise. Sometimes you just let go of the past, enjoy the present while it lasts. And really it's not that much to ask, with good friends by your side. Now it's time to celebrate.
Heartwarming Eve is here once again.
All together feeling great.
Heartwarming Eve is here once again.
Can't hardly wait. We'll party till late. Our favorite date.
Heartwarming Eve is here once again. Heartwarming Eve is here once again.